The walls, crumbling, every corner hiding a forgotten story. In this episode, the real challenge begins, as we take on the mission of bringing this place back to life. We start with one of the most satisfying transformations, reviving a swimming pool that hasn't been maintained in over a decade. From structural repairs to restoring the mansion while preserving its original character, we document every step. Expect mold, water damage, demolition surprises, and things we never expected to find. If you love urbex exploration, extreme renovations, and abandoned places turning beautiful again, this series is for you. And this is only the beginning. We found a hidden room.